Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the huge MEMEFI Coin Pump and what's driving this big move. In the last 24 hours, MEMEFI has surged over 100%, hitting around $0.0028. Not only that, its trading volume exploded to over $128 million, showing a massive rise in investor interest. Now, why is MEMEFI pumping so hard? One big reason is their new announcement: 90% of the total supply will go to community airdrops. That's a major move towards decentralization and has fired up the MEMEFI community. Plus, the project is preparing for its token generation event, TG, with major exchange listings expected soon. Even though the specific platforms aren't confirmed yet, the hype around these upcoming listings is adding serious fuel to the rally. Looking ahead, analysts predict MEMEFI could trade between $0.0025 and $0.012 by 2025, with an average price near $0.0704. That's a possible 350% return. Some even believe it could touch $0.0155 in 2025 if momentum stays strong. But remember, the crypto market is always volatile, so always do your own research before investing. That's your quick update on MEMEFI Coin. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more real-time crypto news. See you in the next video.